Bitcoin is getting ready here for a massive fake out, even though that we are now confirmed to be over the 200 weekly EMA, and we will also stay there in my opinion, but there is a fake out coming, and that is something that I want to talk about today. And if you think that is something interesting, then definitely smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also activate the notification bell. And now let's directly get into the charts and show you why I believe that we are in here for quite a ride. So for this, I go here to the 4-hourly chart, and first of all, I want to point out here the inverse head and shoulders that pattern that I was talking about has played out absolutely perfect, and we are still in it. But we have almost reached our technical target all the way up here at $24,600. More or less, we got here a really nice breakout. So I was actually trading yesterday, but unfortunately I got stopped out at a retest here in this candle. So I had a really tight stop loss, and yeah, there I got stopped out and had not the possibility to jump back into the trade because I was sleeping. But congratulations to everybody out there that was actually able to catch this breakout here, and let me know in the comments below if you were one of the guys that were actually catch this amazing breakout and is racking in here tremendous gains. So as you can see, Bitcoin is running now into this upward sloping resistance from this bigger rising wedge pattern here. So, and that could be also the turning point for Bitcoin for this massive fake out that I'm anticipating here over the next coming hours. So let me show you one reason why I believe that is about to happen. So first of all, we are on all smaller time frames, heavily overbought on a stochastic RSI, and even here on the stochastic RSI on the 4 hours, we're about to getting a sell signal, so which is of course a bearish, and here we could potentially form an evening star pattern, so where we have here a pump to the upside, a doji in the middle, so and then another big green red candle coming back to the downside. So that is a scenario that I'm looking at right now here as a possibility for the 4-hourly chart. So when we go here to the 1-hourly, there you can see what I mean here. So yeah, here on the stochastic RSI, we had already a sell signal and we're going here slightly down. So, but I believe that we get one last move here to the upside where we actually break above the resistance. So, and that will be actually the fake out moment, and then come back down, because we are already in so high levels here on the stochastic RSI on the 1-hourly. So that will also then bring the stochastic here again to the top, and then actually we will go tremendously down here. So, but what are actually the levels that I'm looking at how low we can actually go? So what I want to say first is that I don't believe that we will break below the 20 weekly EMA. So I don't believe that we're gonna do that throughout the week. So, but what we're gonna do, in my opinion, is that we will go here a little bit more sideways, then we will see a push to the upside. That will be the fake out moment. That is the moment where you want to open a short position. So, and then we will come back down, and I believe we will come back to test the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern around $23,400, $23,500, around that kind of level. We will come back. So, and if you want to trade this massive short, then don't forget, guys, on Bybit you still get $4,450 with my specific link here, and on BitGet $8,000 in bonuses absolutely for free with 15% discount after you have deposited a little bit of money on the exchange and start trading. Guys, remember, these links, you only get these bonuses with these specific links. If you're not using these links, your deposit bonus will be way lower. It will be just $100 or something. So definitely take advantage of these links. So now I expect then when we come here to the neckline that we consolidate here a little bit and then actually go back up for good. So another reason why I believe that this is a level to watch out for is when we're looking here on the EMA ribbon. So because the price action is considerably far away from the EMA ribbon here. So as you can see that already here. So, and every time when we are that far away, the price action comes back to test the EMA ribbon, and then gets either supported and we continue to go upwards, so, or we start to break into the EMA ribbon and it will flip then to the downside and we go into a downtrend. So for example, here you saw we broke up, price went away from the ribbon, came back, got supported, but it went sideways, flipped down, sideways down, up again, down, up, support, and then moved away. So that is a typical movement for the EMA ribbon. Also here, you can see it clearly again. So price broke above the EMA ribbon, was going away from the ribbon, came back to retest, failed to retest, broke to the downside. So this is happening over and over again. So, and that is missing here right now on the 1 hourly chart, also on the 4 hourly chart. So here you see on the 4 hourly chart, it is actually lining up soon with the neckline of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, and that is definitely the level that I'm looking at for a new long position, and also where I would then close my short. That's it already more or less for today. Just don't forget that I'm posting all my trades, my personal trades that I'm taking, and that's more or less 1 or 2 per day, absolutely for free in my free Telegram channel. So definitely take advantage of that. And also, if you want to make money on a consistent base, because I'm not posting every single day in the Telegram channel, only if I see something really interesting, then I post it in the free channel. But if you want to make on a consistent base money with signals that I'm posting together with my team, 3 to 5 signals every day, then join my paid signals group. That is the link to get in touch with my staff. They will give you all the information that you need. So guys, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then tomorrow in the next one.